How to install board-mounted cornice. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the complete set of cornice, including all necessary accessories. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. First, place the valance in its intended position. Use a spirit level to ensure the valance is perfectly horizontal. Then use a marker pen to mark the vertical mounting positions for the left and right mounting brackets. Position the center of the mounting bracket 2 centimeters directly below the mark you just made. Use a marker pen to mark the drilling points for the mounting bracket. Drill holes for mounting. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the brackets. Repeat the same steps to mount the another bracket. The mounting brackets are now securely in place. Lift the cornice and rest it on top of the installed mounting brackets, aligning it with your initial placement. Then use an electric drill and the provided short screws to secure the cornice top board to the bracket from underneath. Secure the mounting bracket on the other side in the same manner. That's it. Your cornice is perfectly in place.